Hi, Manuel Rubio here with Miracle Body and Paint. So you've had an accident, you're now looking for the right collision center to help you repair your car. Well, I suggest that you look for reviews, right? Try to find out the reputation of the shops in your marketplace. Try to find a shop that has longevity, has experts in the claim processing area, have clerks that can actually help you process your claim, and find out what departments do they have within their organization. Some shops have collision repair experts, and some shops have, in addition to collision repair experts, which are called service writers, they have business managers. Business managers focus on the claim processing. They negotiate the claim in the best interest of the consumer, in the best interest of the car, and the cycle time of the vehicle. That department does not exist in every single shop. We do have it at Miracle Body and Paint. It plays a very key role on making sure that the policy is utilized with all its benefits for the best interest of your vehicle, for the best interest of the repairs, and the best interest of your customer experience. For more information, stay tuned for the next session and learn more.